This is the super fast, quick way to cut pavers with a hand grinder. All right, so we're gonna go score it right here, here, and do a cut here and here. We're only going about an inch deep, and then we're gonna snap it. All right, so we are on the last one. Lay that down. And there you have it. And that is how to create a walkway in an hour. Total cost $120, $130 with the glue. At this time, we don't have the right color of the polymeric sand. Just take a look at how I did this on my other property. And join me next time for a video where we actually install the polymeric sand on this walkway made of pavers. The polymeric sand is a mixture of sand and some polymers that creates a strong bond, kind of acts like glue. You put that in between the joints. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.